wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. Umdlalo webethu Premiership match day number 27. Didingo round 2 because bebedlala midweek umdlalo we-league eSishego Stadium now on Sunday 3 p.m. Badlala Loftus. Nalapho ke Sundowns ithe complete a double over Polokwane City this season, collecting 6 points and also making sure Sundowns would they stay on top of Ibethu Premiership, leading Orlando Pirates. Second place Orlando Pirates by 5 points. Orlando Pirates are playing on Tuesday against Stellenbosch in Cape Town. Sundowns are playing that big game at Loftus. It's 7:30 against the Kaizer Chiefs. Umdlalo omkhulu Loftus Stadium ngolwesithathu ezinsukwini. Bubusini manukubulisa mfowethu kunjani?
Yaphila mona kunjani?
I'm okay. And nangu TKJ is rocking a Sundowns shirt. On the other side is wearing a black cap. Now we are wearing a black cap. Yeah, okay. I think ngihlukene njengepants because ubetha ngejini emnyama uTKJ kodwa but ke mhlobam Marcel Loftus Sundowns won.
Uyasensa uTKJ. Uyasensa mngani.
Usensana
TKJ uyasensa.
What is he sensing?
Khona ukuzayo ungabona uTKJ se adlala ama t-shirt eSundowns so. Khona ukuzayo Brian. Mwana I'm right.
I'm okay.
Nange lock standing right.
Kanon?
I-lock standing.
Are
you good ngayo?
What do you mean?
Ngikhuluma nge-lock standing. Angisho ngikhuluma ngeyoyo. Kungena omunye kuphuma omunye njalo.
Kuphume namhlanje mhlobam.
No, angisho since omunye waphuma. I-landlord ifikile.
Oh, landlord ifikile. Okay.
Ngoba mina ngishaya phela uthi ngibulise uTKJ, ngibulise uMestenso noMestenkeu, ngibambe uJunior Brian. Mina ngigrand mfethu.
Masingena emdlalweni. Ubona njani umdlalo namhlanje Sundowns and Polokwane City?
Yeah, I think Shane umehluko yakhona ukubona nawe. You can see the difference between a small pitch and nama pitch afana nabo Loftus. Kuba ne different because if a team is playing a low block, and it's not wrong ukudlala nge low block, it's a game plan. But kukhona ozovula khona because you can't close wonke ama space. When you close ama pockets uzoba expose kuma wide channel yila bazokubamba khona. If ufuna ukuhlala le kuma wide channel la phakathi kuzovuleka ama space. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngiqale ngePolokwane City. uCoach Phuti I think ubuye nge low block bengibona ePolokwane, but the different now njengoba ngisho ile pitch. Uma ungabheka ulethu uKelepu namhlanje uku-add phakathi kwamaphangule no King Kambala ukuthi ufuna kube badlali abavala ama space in the middle of the park. La khona uLando Ramabu, uLando Dlamini bayabuya bazovala lama space, badlala kuma half channel, bavala la kulama half winger. Beza bazovala lesa space ukuthi bafuna iSundowns iye wide. So ingakwazi ukuthi uma ngabe iya wide into abazi ukuthi bane defense engathi mhlawumbe bazodropa someone kule midfield ayo add lapha phakathi ukuthi ba defend in numbers. But the problem ngabo Shane uletha abantu eboxini but abawenzi umsebenzi akumele bawenze eboxini. iSundowns ithola ama free header ungaki eboxini. But uma usho uthi udlala low block, you don't defend ngenumber eboxini ungazi umsebenzi. That's why the more uletha abadlali abaningi eboxini, ngihlala ngisho lento Shane, uzoba ne problem because akukho lula ukuthi udefend. Otherwise uzothola nama injuries, bazohedana bona bodwa kube nama second ball. So ngicabanga ukuthi babe poor good defense yabo. Even though babaningi akusho ukuthi bebenza kahle, babe poor good defense because when you allow iSundowns ithola lawo ama free header, bheka uJayden uthola free header, uReynas uthola free header before scoring leya goal. Wabuya wazothola igoli nge-free header futhi lapha uReynas. So kumele kukutshele something Shane ukuthi bakhona lapha eboxini ngakwenamba but not ngokwenza umsebenzi. Because if nikhona eboxini kumele nenze umsebenzi. And uma ungathi uyabheka uMathuludi hila iSundowns beyifuna ukuletha khona lama cross kulela side la kaMathuludi. So ngicabanga ukuthi uCoach Phuti imshaya khona lapha ekutheni labantu abalethe eboxini bawenza umsebenzi. Uyabona ngize ngasho ngathi ukuluza umdlalo ofana noNikani noNkaki kuleya center back kumkhoste kakhulu because uma ungabheka umdlalo amlethe namhlanje kuleya center back ubani yabona bathi ubani uRamaja mawungabheka na last bekadlala uRamaja but the communication between yena nalomdlali today engicabanga ukuthi u10 40 years bamlethe ku center back namhlanje umpho badlali bengicabanga ukuthi bangenza ngcono but not kunonkaki nonikani because abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi bona banomathuludi nonkwe benza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu kuleya center back so unfortunately ama injuries ayake sometimes akudrophela abanye abadlali ocaba ukuthi bangakunceda then uze kuleli qembu elifana neMamelodi Sundowns because njengoba before ngena kubo ubheke yona nePolokwane City benga first half change khuluma nga first half benganayo indlela yokuthi ngaphuma yo attacker it's only mathuludi umdlali bafuna uku-attacka ngayo because abodlamini noRamabo bangene phakathi ugoalkeeper umbheke uthi ukhiphe amabhola ongaki azama ukunikeza umathuludi wonke amabhola goalkeeper sometimes aphumela ngaphandle because ufuna umathuludi and umfunapi eyafini yabo not ukuthi umathuludi uyamthola wide because bathatha isikhathi ukuthi bakhuphuke bayo attack iSundowns emqondweni kusekutheni kumele si defend iMamelodi Sundowns so bekungana into engibona ngathi mhlambe bengabanikeza something going forward except umathuludi kulela side bheka uShabalala baze bamkhipha bekungabonakala ukuthi yini because ufuna ukuchase uCupido noNdamane and it's not easy ukuthi ungapressa iMamelodi Sundowns as a lone striker because ekugcineni uzokhathala ungayenzanga nixsheni so ngicabanga ukuthi ibashayile lapho but second half izamile iPolokwane ukuchange ngendlela befuna ukudlala ngakhona because ubonile bathola lawo ma chances badlali bePolokwane City kunalabo bathole khona i1v1 ngiyacabanga ukuthi uBoy bekumele aphanishile lapha sheni ipenalty bekumele askorile ucaptain wePolokwane City but ngicabanga ukuthi lela ball ulithashe twice la bekalimikisa khona ila uRonza ayengakhona and if bekakorile ngicabanga ukuthi bezoba i-retake because liyo basolidlale kabili akumelanga ukuthi ulidlale ngale yandlela so bawatholile ama chances laba kumele ukuthi nabo banga converter mhlawumbe lelo goal ibalethe egamini unfortunately abakwazi abazange bakwenze kokufana naloko sheni so kungakho ubona iSundowns igcina iletha goal number 3 so good substitution ku coach Miguel Cardoso I think ne lineup yakhe ngiyacabanga ukuthi to rotate abadlali kumsebenzele kakhulu sheni before mhlambe ngaze ngene kuSundowns ithi mhlambe nginikeze ichance ungibuze because ngizogcina ngikhuluma mhlambe ngithatha nama question wakho mngani wami
No, Mhlabama. I mean, this is your platform.
Yeah.
I'm only here to build some questions, but it is your duty to okay, this is how Polokwane City played, this is how Sundowns played.
Yeah.
You've already given us a clear analysis of Polokwane City. Now let's get into Sundowns and tell us what Indona bayenze right namhlanje in order to win this game because they won the previous game 1-0, but Indona bayenze right namhlanje in order to score 3 goals against Polokwane City.
ngiyacabanga into yokuqala sheni ebalekile ukuthi analyze opponent uma ungabheka ucoach Cardoso uunderstandile ukuthi iPolokwane City i-team efuna ukuvala ama space kumele baye wide sheni and uma baya wide bheka ukuthi njengoba ngisho how many balls abalethe eboxini that's a game plan because if you know ukuthi bazoba bavalile ama pockets let's go wide uma siya wide kumele senzeni uma sifika wide siletha amabhola eboxini la sizothola abo Reiners khona because ba overload lela side la kaMathuludi bheka uTebs abekagcwalela kulela side uMatthews Sundowns benganayo iwinger elaka right besebenzisa iwinger la kaMatthews but uma ungabheka bebaya lapha kunoMatthews uTebs naye add number so that bakwazi ukudonsa leya defense yePolokwane City leya center back izofuna ukuhamba yokhava uMathuludi uma yokhava uMathuludi then ila bathatha le ball balethe eboxini because bazi ukuthi sekuzoba kune space unkwe uye umdlalo kumele abuye azoyenzani azokhava lela side uma azokhava lela side they can use umrena kulesa space that is why lethe umrena today ngwazile ukuthi if sizodlalela esayidini eli1 i-center back uma izoshifta a1 unkwe uzosuka at number kusuka kwakhe azo at number kuleya center back then sifuna umdlalo one pace ofana nomrena so that akwazi ukuthi asebenzise lesa space ezoba sishiyele ile left back yePolokwane City so ngicabanga ukuthi ibasebenzele beMamelodi Sundowns chain give credit coach Cardoso ubheke nama sub wakho to rotate their team wazi kahle ukuthi okay Wednesday I'm going to face a team ezodinga labadlali mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ngibanikeze leyo game time babuye ba fresh because siyabona uletha uLeon uletha uSantos uletha uLunga ebenchini uyaba prepare ukuthi ababe ready kulama game afana nala it won't be an easy game for iSundowns to play against Kaizer Chiefs abantu ngiyabezwa bacabanga ngathi kuyoba lula for iSundowns kuleya game it's a tough one it's a game chain so ngicabanga ukuthi coach Cardoso ubalethile bomkhulisi today urest abanye abadlali unikeza abanye abadlali chance ukuthi okay ithi ngibanikeza ama minutes. So for iSundowns they played well Shane, but there's a problem iSundowns eyenzayo. I think ifuna ukudlala kahle uma ngabe iopponent idlali low block. Uma bathi open play badlala ngamathuba Shane. And akumelanga udlale ngamathuba. Njengamanje uma ungabheka kulokho yona neOrlando Pirates kune goal different. But if une chance score iSundowns idlala ngamathuba amaningi kakhulu Shane. They scored 3 goals, yes, it's good, but badlale ngamathuba amaningi. Going back to the center back eMamelodi Sundowns, I think kundamani kumele alungise Shane. Le bhola lela ngakukhumbula neTS Galaxy baye bathathela uAlende khona lapha yaphanisha kuNetbank iTS Galaxy kwaMhlanga. So kunamabhola ucabanga ukuthi calculate ukuthi le opponent ikuphi nale teammate yami ngifuna ukuyidlalela le bhola. You can play lawo mabhola maybe kuBotebza because you know ukuthi aggressive aBotebza they can protect le bhola, but kuAlende uyambona akasengakabi balance. You play the ball by interceptor. Ama mistake iSundowns ewayenzayo noma ingawenza lama mistake kuma tournament afana nabo CAF Champions League izothola iquality abadlali bazobaphanisha because those mistakes uzobayenza manje udlala nePulukwane banikeze 1v1 then bamiste, but uzodlala nama team ku CAF Champions League. Remember abokekane bake banikeza abomayela ama chance afana nalawo, then they punish you. Uyayilose igame ngalendlela. Sengicabanga ukuthi kumele bayirectify leya center back especially uNdamane when sine build up ukuthi ubuild up ubheke ne teammates yakho ukuthi bayikhave iopponent impress kanganani before wenza lawo ma mistake Shane.
Okay. Bobzin, Masival mhlobam, Masival, former footballer of the season. Okay, Loftus Stadium, it's Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.